Okay, here's the amperage in from a 12 volt battery, 0.52, 520 milliamps. The voltage is 12.1. There's the voltage across the battery. So that's the input. This is in DC amps. This is in DC volts. So that's the input. Watch this when I hit short the generator coils together. It starts to speed up. You can hear it. And it goes up to 0.56. It's shorted out completely generator coils. This is the input amps. We'll hold on a little bit. This is the amperage in AC across the generator coils. It's crowbarring an ammeter across there. And you know, these are all north facing magnets in the rotor, so this isn't that accurate, but it's something, and other people working on this can compare. So in DC it shows nothing in amps, so you got to put it on AC just to get a number. So it's 90 milliamps. And it should be about 31 volts, and I'll check that now across the generator coils. Of course, not at the same time. So just a minute. Yep, 31 volts across the generator coils. All those tests I just did, 12 volts and 520 or 560 milliamps in put, and 31 volts and 90 milliamps in AC on the output from the generator coils. AC on a meter, that was with, see that dot right there, that's that back rotor, and the dot over here is over here. So if you can see both that dot and that dot, that's how much offset there was. It's about, geez, almost the width of a magnet offset. That's what we just tested. Now I'm going to line this up so these are straight across now. See what happens now. Okay, we're looking at the voltage in AC across the generator coils. The 8 generator coils in series. It's 22 gauge wire, it's pretty thick wire. Not expecting a lot of voltage. So it's up there, probably be about 33 or 34 volts. A little more voltage happening. On the generator coils output. So let's see. You know, if I put the ammeter straight across here, it's going to lug from lens log. So I don't want to do that right now. I want to see what the draw is coming from the battery over here in amps. So hold on a sec. Okay, this is the draw in DC amps from the battery. And now the magnets are lined up. There's no offset at all. A little bit less draw. 0.4748. And now, watch this. I'm just going to short this out. There. Okay, I just shorted it out. And you hear the motor slowing and slowing. Okay. Now I'm going to measure the amperage across the generator coils. And it's going to slow it, so I'll see what happens there. Okay, this is the amperage across the generator coils, and as it's slowing, it stays the same amps, and this has to be in AC just to get a reading. So we're in 20 amps AC, and it says 90 milliamps there. Now it's down to 80 milliamps as it's slowing from Lenz's law. This is with the magnet straight across. Probably will go down to 70 milliamps soon. The voltage is probably very low. If I was to check voltage, but I'm crowbarring with amps right now, so you won't see any voltage. Okay, taking off the short, the ammeter crowbar short. So I have kind of some numbers to fool around with. I should have a good indicator if I'm getting better or worse, at least. I won't say this is accurate amperage because the magnets are like not north-south, north-south. So, but at least I got some numbers. Pretty good voltage coming out of it. So, what else can I do? I guess that's pretty good for the first numbers. I'm taking what's happening here. I'm surprised the amperage going in is pretty high. Maybe at 6 volts it'd be better instead of 12. But anyways, so there's some numbers. Thanks for watching.